So I didn't film an intro to this video because there wasn't supposed to be a video. So So much for being an easy day out here on the trails. We came out to Bailey Canyon, and as we're traveling, there's a gate that's closed that has a sign that says there's a tree blocking the path. But we're gonna go and see if we can get it out the way so we can finish the trail. All right, we just came up on the tree. Let's go check it out. See what we got ourselves into. Watch it, watch it. What are we gonna do, Thumper?
We're gonna move that bitch out the way.
We gotta act like you're moving, dude. We got Thumper right here with the winch. Added a tree saver with a snatch block. In theory, you're gonna pull it out that way, and we clear the trail. We needed some manpower at the end, but we got it out the way. I think we've been watching too many of those mad off-road recovery videos. Got it out the way. Finished taking off the branches. And we're back on the road. Back on our way. There you have it, guys. I wasn't even going to make a video today. A small group. It's just 5 of us. And we just came out to scout this trail for a future trail run with Tiburon. And we ended up getting into that little adventure, clearing the trail.